Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I'm doing a little bit of work on my Celebrate the Seasons from To Be Loved Treasures by Corinne. This is a year-long project that she's started and I've jumped on the bandwagon. So here is what I've got so far. So everybody else is, well, as far as I know, is stitching the current season that they're in. I've jumped ahead of season and am doing summer, so that when summer rolls around it will be already done and I can display it. So here is what I've done so far. I have stitched the word Summer Vibes. This was on a little what is that on there? A little doily that I have cut a piece out of and used that, so that was sort of like that, and then I stitched over the center of the daisy with the same thread that I use for the words. So that's how that piece works. Oop, where's my other flower? Okay. Then I have running stitch all the backgrounds. So I've got some going that way and some going that way. And then I've made two little jandals. So, which to me represent summer. So what I'm going to do today is stitch all of these pieces down, and I want to add a ribbon embroidery dragonfly up here. So that's what I'm going to do. But first of all I need to stitch down my little flower centers in my jandals, but I want to whip stitch the straps on the jandals. Now what am I going to use for that? Maybe a bit of green. Let's try that. Okay. Today is Monday the 18th of September. Now you'll be watching this next Sunday. So I'm filming ahead to try and get some videos done. Okay, I'll take those off for a minute. And I'm just going to whip stitch all of these just to give it a little bit more definition. Yeah, just trying to get a little bit ahead. Did I say it was Monday or Sunday? Today's Monday, but you'll be watching this on Sunday. Right, now we'll go up here. So far I've met all the prompts. The little flowers that are going in the centre, they will be the additional flowers plus the flower that's in the where the words are. Yeah, so mine's completely different to everybody else's, but that's what it's about. Okay, so then I'll take that down through there. Then we will come back up here somewhere. Doesn't matter where because it's going to be covered by the flower. And then I've got a stitch on the 2 little bits of trim and do a butterfly. So what's been happening? Not an awful lot other than the normal. We had a surprise visit from our second oldest daughter on Saturday, so that was nice. So she came and stayed Saturday night. She lives up on the sunny coast, so it's nice to see her. And we didn't have Spencer this weekend, but then because I worked all those hours for stock taker, I was tired, so he didn't come. But then yesterday she messaged and said that he was in hospital, so with vomiting. I haven't heard from her this morning because it's still stupid o'clock, but when I spoke to her last night, he hadn't vomited since he'd been at the hospital. They'd given him something to stop it, and then he had to have apple juice he had to have 10 mils of apple juice every, was it 5 minutes or so, just to see if he could keep it down. So, and then they were just doing a few tests, and if they came back normal then he could go home. So yes, so I'm sure it would have been a fairly long night for them. I will give her a ring shortly and see how his night was. We're going up there. Here's a poor little guy. And when she FaceTimed, he was, in a big hospital bed, and he was just laying there and watching TV, and he told me he was at the doctor's. So something was going on, so I'll find out more about that today. My youngest daughter's not working today, so that's good, but my son is, so I've got to take him to work. And then Abby and I are going to hit the op shops, I think. See what treasures we can find. She loves op shopping, so, well, she loves shopping in general. It doesn't have to even be an op shop. She will shop and shop and shop all the time. Okay, that can go back down there. Let's finish that off. So yes, that's our plans for today. Right. Oh, that's cool. Okie doke. Now I need to stitch these little flowers on. Might as well use that while I've got it. And I might just do a French knot. So let's bring that up about there. And about there. Might just trim that little bit of fluff off that. Okay. Yeah. Let's do a French knot to hold that in place. Oh, that's a bit tough to get that through. Right. Ooh. Okay. There's one. Oh, that's why, because it's gone through the knot on the back. Okay. Right. One. Let's get the second one on. And I mean, you can't even see that French knot, but it's there. Right. That one. Now I need to stitch on that trim. That can go there. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Cute indeed. Right. Now these need to be stitched down here. What have we got on that needle? Yep, that will work. Right, so I might pause you there for a minute and go ahead and get all these elements stitched on, and I will be right back. Okay, back again, and I have finished. So let's we might zoom you down actually, just hold tight. Okay, so summer vibes. I've done two little focus, there we go, two little beaded critters, and I've used for those a fluoro pink organza ribbon. I made these bobbins on my Cricut, so jandals are done and it's all in the frame, so that is all all ready to display in summer. And yes, I'll be able to get on to the next one, may even do the spring one now. I'm not sure, we'll see how we go. But thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.